Today, I want to share with you a simple but powerful fertility tea made with flax seeds. Yes, this is our flax seeds. Star anise. Yes, this is our star anise. Don't worry, I'll be bringing everything out. And ashwagandha. Okay, so don't worry, I'll be bringing out everything. Now, this is not just any tea. It is a hormone balancing, stress reducing, womb loving drink that can make a real difference in your fertility journey. Stay with me because I'm going to tell you how you're going to use this tea, why it works best for you, why you should start preparing it. Okay, the 5 types of women that will be needing this tea is if you're a woman dealing with irregular menstrual cycle or absent period. This tea will help to bring back your cycle into balance. Secondly, if you're a woman with high stress level, your stress level is high because in fact you have spent all your resources, you don't know what to believe again. The ashwagandha calms your mind and it reduces the stress that often blocks ovulation. A stressed out woman cannot ovulate. 3, if you're a woman struggling with hormonal imbalance, especially when it comes to estrogen, you have high estrogen level, that is estrogen dominance. If you are dealing with PCOS also, okay, this tea, it gently supports hormone regulation. Fourthly is if you're a woman preparing for conception. So if you're actively trying to get pregnant, this tea will help to nourish your womb and improves your egg quality. Finally is women with low libido or low energy. See, all the time they call you for action. You say you don't, you're tired. The ashwagandha and the star anise naturally boost desire and overall vitality. I hope I'm pronouncing this name well, but the spelling is going to be on the screen, okay? So if you see yourself in any of these categories, this tea is exactly what your body needs. This is what your fertility has been waiting upon, and it's so easy to prepare. So without wasting anybody's time, let's get started. Okay, before we get into how to prepare it, it's important I talk about the ingredients that we'll be needing here, what they do. If you don't want to listen to it, feel free to fast forward to how to do it. This flax seed you're seeing here, these tiny brown seeds, they are full of omega-3 fatty acids and ligands. These balance estrogen and progesterone. It equally improves your egg quality and regulates your cycle. All right, flaxseed, if you're trying to get pregnant, is a must for you. Like, it is a must for you on your table. Then we have star anise. Okay, it's a beautiful spice. It has a star shape. That's where it got its name. Okay, it's rich in phytoestrogens that supports hormone balance and ease menstrual discomfort. Many times you have that menstrual discomfort because you are not ovulating and your progesterone is low. Then the ashwagandha, this is the queen of stress relief. Honestly, this stick you're seeing here, and ashwagandha, you can get it in a powder form also. It is a very high adaptogen. It calms your nervous system and lowers cortisol. It equally improves both male and female fertility. So with these 3 combo, you and I will be getting a fertility tea that supports our hormone balance, lower stress, and creates a healthier environment for conception. What else do you need again to get pregnant? Don't worry, I'll be telling, even if you have been taking some supplement and you're wondering, I will answer all that question. So let's get straight to how to do this. Move with me to the kitchen. So for the quantity that we're going to be making, we're going to be using just 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Okay, so just measure it out. 1, because of the quantity we're going to be making. Okay, 2, and we are going to crush it. Oh my god, flaxseed needs to be crushed, okay, because our body, the gut system, finds it difficult to actually digest it. Okay, it finds it difficult to digest it, so it can cause you bloating if you didn't crush it. So we crush it so as to equally release what it contains. Very, very important. We are crushing it, but not in a harsh manner. Okay, just to break that hard shell of it. Okay, that hard shell, we need to break it. If you don't crush it, you might get bloated, and in trying to get pregnant, we're avoiding bloating. I'm using the manual crusher, okay, but you can use your blender also. They have blender you can use just to gently crush it. See how you see what we're getting here? We have crushed it coarsely, not in a fine powder, coarsely. All right, next will be, so we'll set on fire our pot and add 75 cl of water. This is the measurement of water for that quantity we are preparing. If you want to prepare more than that quantity, it means double of this water. All right. So pouring it right in the pot. First things first, we'll be adding our ashwagandha. Okay. If you have the powder, you don't have the sticks like I do, you will be using 2 tablespoons. I'll be using 3 sticks for this quantity. Add it right away. Then our star anise, okay. You see it is in star form. This star anise is very powerful. We don't even like very, very powerful. So just add 2, 3 of it. Add 3 star anise. Allow to boil. So as we're waiting for it to boil, let me quickly tell you a story. One of my clients was struggling with irregular periods, constant stress, and difficulty conceiving. This woman's job is stressing her the hell out. She didn't want to jump straight into medications. So she reached out to me and we started with natural remedies. And this particular tea was one of them. Within 3 months, her cycle became regular. Her stress level reduced. She started sleeping better. She started being in the mood for the for the bam bam bam. And her hormones started to balance naturally. That is the power of combining nature's wisdom with a little consistency. You too will get the same result if you don't give up on yourself. So many times you even give up quarter to your miracle. You're going to come back and testify because this tea will work. You will come back. So the water has started boiling, as you can see. As you can see, it's boiling. It's boiling. So once it starts boiling, leave it for extra 5 minutes. Leave it for extra 5 minutes. Okay. Oh my God, if you're here, you will be perceiving the aroma. It's so beautiful. Beautiful aroma. So 5 minutes is over. We turn off the heat. We turn off the heat. And open it up to cool down. Yes, open it up to cool down before we add our flaxseed. So it has cooled down a bit. So it's time to add the flaxseed. Turn it and allow to stay for 24 hours. 24 hours. Yes, we're allowing it to stay for 24 hours. No heat, so enough of the boiling. We're done with the boiling. Just allow it to sit for 24 hours. 24 hours, it's over. Your fertility tea is going to look like this. All you have to do is just sieve it out. Sieve it out. Sieve it out, okay. So for those of us that have questions, when should I be taking my fertility tea? Take your fertility tea at night from day 1 to day 14. Day 1 to day 14 of your cycle. All right. See it looks so tantalizing, milky, nourishing. Day 1 to day 14 of your cycle. If your follicular phase is shorter than day 14, then take it from day 1 to day 10, depending on your cycle length, or even day 1 to day 16, day 17, depending on your cycle length. How do you know your cycle length? Just do your 30-day cycle length minus 14. You'll not get, because you shouldn't take the tea post ovulation. It should be within the menstrual phase and the follicular phase. Okay. And this quantity is enough. This glass is enough every night. How do you combine it with your supplement? If you're already taking your supplement, take the supplement morning and night, and take this one at night. Or you can, if your supplement regimen still crosses over to night, okay, you take the supplement 1 hour ahead before you drink your fertility tea. Oh my God, you will definitely come back to testify. You will testify. Remember all we said about this. This is our anchor scripture for today. Psalm 128 verse 3. Your wife will be like a fruitful vine within your house. Your children will be like olive shoots around your table. Whether you have conceived or not, God sees you that you already have children. He wishes above all things that you and I prosper and be in amazing health, even as our soul prospereth. Thank you for tuning in today. I will see you in the other side of victory.